Nelson Mandela, A Story of Freedom. In the rolling hills of the Eastern Cape, in a small village called Mvezo, a boy was born in 1918. His name? Rolihlahla Mandela, a name that in Xhosa meant troublemaker. But history would know him as Nelson Mandela, the man who carried the hopes of a nation. From an early age, Mandela was shaped by the traditions of his people and the injustice of the world around him. South Africa was under the grip of apartheid, a brutal system of racial segregation. Your skin determined your rights, your opportunities, your freedom. Mandela could not accept it. He became a lawyer, a leader, a voice for the voiceless. But his fight for equality came at a price. In 1962, Mandela was arrested, and soon after, sentenced to life in prison. He would spend 27 years behind bars. Think about that. 27 years. Entire generations grew up, while Mandela watched from a prison cell. The world outside changed slowly, but inside those walls, Mandela changed too. He went in as a young revolutionary. He emerged as a wise statesman. Even in prison, he never gave up hope. And when his freedom finally came in 1990, he walked out hand in hand with his people, not seeking revenge, but reconciliation. 4 years later, South Africa held its first free election. Nelson Mandela became the country's first black president. He could have chosen anger, he could have chosen division, but instead he chose forgiveness. He chose unity, and that choice changed a nation. Mandela once said, "Courage is not the absence of fear, it's inspiring others to move beyond it." His courage gave the world a lesson that even in the darkest times, the human spirit can endure. With patience, with sacrifice, with love, freedom is possible. Today, Mandela's legacy lives not only in South Africa, but across the world, a reminder that one voice, one life, can move mountains. And sometimes, the troublemaker is exactly what the world needs.